Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to transfer money from Payoneer to Binance. So let's get started. For that, let's get into Binance app first. And make sure you're logged into it. Now we need to simply click on Actions over here. And here we can see there is no option for transferring money to Binance, but what we can do is we can pay to any bank account and we can transfer from bank account to Binance. For that, we need to simply click on this pay to recipient's bank account over here, and we need to add our bank details, send or pay to the bank account. Once that is done, from the bank account we can finally try sending or transferring money to Binance. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.